Rahim exercise 7.2 question number 2 solve for x absolute value of 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. Dear students, it is definition that absolute value can be written as 3x minus 5 will be equal to plus minus 4. We have two cases, 3x minus 5 will be equal to plus 4 or 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Now we find the value of x, which will be equal to 4 plus 5. So 3x will be equal to 9, and here x will be equal to 9 by 3. So the value of x will be 3. Similarly, from second case, we will have 3x is equal to minus 4 plus 5. 3x is equal to 1. So the value of x will be equal to 1 by 3. Solution set will be equal to 1 by 3 and 3. Part number 2, 1 by 2, 3x plus 2, 11 plus 4. Absolute value of 3x plus 2 will be equal to 15. Now absolute value will become 3x plus 2, 15 multiplied by, so 3x plus 2 will be equal to 30. Here we apply definition. We can write it by definition. We will have two cases. The first case, plus 30, and second case will be equal to 3x plus 2 will be equal to minus 30. 3x will be equal to 30 minus 2. 3x will be equal to 28. So x will be equal to 28 by 3. Here 3x will be equal to minus 30 minus 2. 3x will be minus 32. So x will be equal to minus 32 divided by 3. So solution set will be equal to minus 32 by 3 comma 28 by 3. By definition, two x plus 5 will be equal to plus minus 11. Here we have two cases. 2x plus 5 will be equal to plus 11, and 2x plus 5 is equal to minus 11. 2x will be equal to 11 minus 5. 2x will be equal to 6. So x will be equal to 6 by 2. The value of x will become 3. In second case, 2x will be equal to minus 11 minus 5, which will become minus 16. So x will be equal to minus 16 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 8. So solution set will be equal to minus 8. The smaller number will be at left hand side and larger number will be at right hand side. That is our solution set. Part number 4, we can take some amendments in this question. We can multiply this absolute value with 1. Then there will be no change when we multiply right side by 1. Okay? We will get 3 plus 2x divided by 6x minus 7 is equal to 1. Now 3 plus 2x over 6x minus 7 will be equal to 1 by definition. We have two cases. 3 plus 2x over 6x minus 7 is equal to plus minus 1. The first case will be equal to 3 plus 2x over 6x minus 7 is equal to 1, and the second case will be equal to 3 plus 2x over 6x minus 7 will be equal to minus 1. Now multiply this one with 1. We will get 3 plus 2x will be equal to any number multiplied by 1 will remain same, so it will become 6x minus 7. Now combine the terms of x. 2x minus 6x minus 7 minus 3, it will become minus 4x, and it will become minus 10. Minus is cancelled with minus, so x will be equal to 10 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 3 plus 2x will be equal to minus 1 multiplied by 6x minus 7. So 3 plus 2x will be equal to minus 6x plus 7. Now combine the value of x. We will get 2x plus 6x is equal to 7 minus 3. It will become 8x is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
So x will be equal to 4 by 8. X is equal to 1 by. So we will have solution set 1 by 2, comma 5 by 2. Part number 5. First of all, we will combine absolute values. Absolute value of x plus 2 it will become plus is equal to 5 plus 3. X plus 2, absolute value of x plus 2 plus absolute value of x plus 2, we will get 1 plus 1. We will get 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So absolute value of x plus 2 will be equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So by definition, x plus 2 will be equal to plus minus 4. X plus 2 is equal to plus 4, and second case will be equal to x plus 2 is equal to minus 4. X will become 4 minus 2, and x is equal to minus 4 minus 2, so x will be equal to minus 6. Solution set will be equal to smaller number, greater number. Part number 6. First of all, we will shift plus 21. We will get 1 by 2 absolute value of x plus 3, 9 minus 21. 1 by 2 minus 12. Now absolute value of x plus 2 will be equal to minus 12 multiplied by 2. Absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to minus 24. It is a question where absolute value is negative. So when absolute value is negative, the solution set will be empty, right? So we can write here as absolute value is negative, so solution set is equal to empty, right? Now part number 7, a little bit difficult. First of all, 3 minus 5x by 4 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. LCM will be 3. It will become 3 by 3, which is equal to 1, right? So we have 3 minus 5x over 4 is equal to 1 by definition 3 minus 5x by 4 is equal to plus minus. Here we have two cases, you know well. The first case is 3 minus 5x by 4 is equal to plus 1, and the second case will be equal to 3 minus 5x by 4 is equal to minus 1. So 3 minus 5x will be 4 multiplied by 1, 4. So minus 5x will be equal to 4 minus 3 minus 5x is equal to 1. The value of x will be equal to minus 1 by 5. Similarly, 3 minus 5x will be equal to minus 4. Minus 5x is equal to minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus is cancelled by minus, so x will be equal to 7 by 5. Here we have solution set minus 1 by 5 and 7 by 5. The last part of this question, directly we apply definition. We will get x plus 5 over 2 minus x is equal to plus minus 6. Two cases. The first case is equal to x plus 5, 2 minus x is equal to plus 6, and the second case x plus 5 over 2 minus x is equal to minus 6. X plus 5 will be equal to 6 multiplied by 2 minus x, 12 minus 6x. X plus 6x is equal to 12 minus, so 7x will be equal to 7. The value of x will be 7 by 7, so x will be equal to 1. And in second case we will get x plus 5 is equal to minus 6 multiplied by 2 minus x plus 5 will be equal to minus 12 plus 6x. Always wrong. X minus 6x minus 12 minus 5, we will get minus 5x is equal to minus 17. Minus is cancelled by minus, so x will be equal to 17 by 5. We will get solution set 1 and 17 by